I feel like summer screams glow. Like I should look glowy, not sweaty, but glow. Like this is what summer screams for me. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine if you're new here. Today I film my 10 to 15 minute makeup routine. This is the easiest makeup routine that you're gonna come across this summer. I absolutely love my face. I'm glowy and dewy, but I'm not sweaty and hot. I don't feel like I have anything on my face, and all the products that I use are tried and true that I use on my clients, and their face lasts all day. So if you guys are ready to learn how to get my perfect summer makeup routine, then keep on watching. So y'all already know that I am a skincare girly. I just washed my face, so I already have moisturizer on. I also have some eye cream on just because I'm trying to work on my bags. I think it's genetic at this point. I might just have to get some filler or Botox or something, but it's not terrible. Step one to anything that you do is skincare. I just wash my face. If you want to use like micellar water, Noxzema wipes, whatever, you can do that. But wash your face and put on some moisturizer. We're going to go into priming. Priming for me consists of two things. I like the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide. I mix that with the e.l.f. the Power Grip. So I just do a mix of these. Then we're gonna go with e.l.f. I just got my nose re-pierced like 3 days ago. I'm a little nervous to do makeup right now. I should be fine. I'm gonna let that dry and then I'll be right back. Okay, I feel tacky. So starting off, we're gonna be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow. If you have like a very light coverage, this is what you wanna buy. Literally only gonna do these two swipes on my cheeks and then on my forehead. I'll be taking the Real Techniques 200 brush and just getting to work. I just love that this is like such a light coverage and it feels like I have nothing on. Still looks like my skin just like is super smooth. I definitely recommend getting either something like this or like a skin tint. I know Fenty has one. Also for summer, when I'm thinking of makeup, I'm literally thinking of just easy. My skin is just always really pretty in the summer, so I always just think of like, how can I show off my skin the most? And by using like these types of products, cream products, that just works the best for me. So next up we have bronze and contour. I'm going to be taking the Rare Beauty liquid blush. Juvia's Place has some as well. I'm also going to be doing a cream contour and bronze using the shade Chestnut from Too Faced. Doing like 2 dots on my cheeks, getting my contour right below. Now I'm going to be taking a stippling brush and just buffing that in. You can use a beauty blender. I just feel like a stippling brush does really well with liquids, so that's why I'm using this one. This is also from Real Techniques, and you can see all the color is coming on my face. I can't wait to be in the sun, and I just know that this blush is gonna go crazy with like a nice little tan because Tallahassee has made me very pale. So the next step for me is concealer. I love a bright under eye. I'm just imagining me very tan on this trip with like a bright under eye, and I love that for me. I'm just going to do like this and even a little bit on my nose. So this is the layout. We have the inner and the pool, your nose, and right here. Taking the Real Techniques 402 brush, I'm just going to be blending all that out. And I always make sure to bring that concealer on my nose as well. Pull right here. You'll also notice that I like blended it down just so that I could blend the blush into that concealer and have like a nice little gradient. Now that we have this bright under eye, I just want to make sure that this area is well blended together. I usually take whatever brush that I use my foundation, in this case the little Halo Glow, on, and I'm just gonna like blend everything together. I'm also gonna blend out my nose with this, but not too much. So now we're going straight to powder. This is my favorite step. I'm just going to be looking all the way up to get all my creases, and we're just going to just set that. Especially during like the hot months, the less makeup on my face, the better. And using like a translucent loose powder like this just feels really light. I really like to just set my entire T-zone with this. Period. I've already talked about this a lot in my last video. The One Size Beauty pressed powder is my new favorite. It took over my love from the Sephora Micro Smooth. It's just something about it. I don't know. It's just such a light powder, but it just gives me the coverage that I like. I'm gonna also use this powder just to dust away my bake. This is usually the time where you can go back in with your bronzer and blush, but it's not necessary because you already have it. I am someone who likes a nice bronze and blushed face, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more of both of those. So my summer blush shade is Serafina by Juvia's Place. It is like just this pretty pink color. So I'm just gonna take this brush with my Serafina and I'm just gonna go right over the liquid blush. I love blush. You can also just add a little bit of this to your nose. I love a good nose snatch. So for brows, I've been really loving my natural brows. I also have been shaving the ends of my brows recently, and I feel like it's changed my face for the better. I personally really love just like a high brow like this. I just feel like it lifts your face in a nice way. All I do is take the end like this and I just cut, and you can see my brow just sort of go straight. The brows are definitely the frames of your face, so I would just recommend probably just getting your brows done so you don't have to worry about them and worry about filling them in and doing whatever. I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I'm just adding that on my brows. So the next step is mascara. I am on my mascara wave, y'all. It's so bad. I bought the Grande Lash Serum, and ever since then my lashes have grown a lot. Like, they grow so long, and I've just been really loving how my natural lashes look compared to when I had minks. And I still love minks and I will get them again, but there's just something about a mascara look recently. I just feel like it just looks so pretty. The Essence Lash Princess is so good. It's $4.99 and it makes my lashes super long. And you know I love mascara now because recently I've been going out to like dinner and stuff with my friends, and I'm only wearing mascara. And they're like, is that your natural lashes? And I'm like, yes, it is. It is my natural lashes. It's like the biggest compliment. Coat 3, but you can see the difference. My natural lashes, nothing. Definitely get you some Grande Lash Serum if you guys want to give your natural lashes a break. And I was getting my minks done like every, well, you need to come like every 2 to 3 weeks. So my natural lashes were definitely suffering. My natural lashes have like a slight curl to them. Like you can see I didn't curl my lashes at all and they just sit up straight. Because of the minks, they started to like fall down. And then I always do my bottoms. I be telling y'all to get into doing your bottom lashes. Y'all have more lashes than you think, okay? And if you don't, invest in the Grande Lash Serum or any lash serum. The last thing for me is highlighter. I got this in the Sephora kit with the Anastasia Brow Freeze. It's the Natasha Denona Rose Cheek Duo. I hate the blush in this. Absolutely not for me. But the highlighter, y'all, this highlighter goes crazy. And just right here. Oh, y'all. See that, y'all? It is like crazy good. And I mean, I know Natasha Denona is like a very expensive brand, so I wouldn't expect anything less from her. But that blush, it just might not be my shade. I just don't like the blush. But I feel like summer screams glow. Like I should look glowy, not sweaty, but glow. Like this is what summer screams for me. I then take this very detailed precision brush and I'm just going to dot my nose. Again, I'm very much into a small nose. And if it's not a small nose, maybe just a more like structured nose, and I feel like the highlighter definitely helps with that. And then of course I get in my inner corner. So I already had lip gloss on when we started, and I was using the Fenty Beauty Fussy, so I'm gonna just put more of that on. We're taking Charlotte Tilbury, and Charlotte Tilbury is very sticky. This is so cute. I love it. I love it. And we're done. Yeah, this is my favorite look for the summer. It is so soft, so effortless, and it's still gonna photograph very well, especially if you guys are on vacation, or even if you're not but you live in Florida like me where it's just hot. This is just a perfect look for you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. I will see you guys in my next video. I am going to start trying to post twice a week, so definitely get used to my face on your subscription list. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.